You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly in English. If you want to learn more vocabulary, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. English pronunciation, cap, British English and American English pronunciations. UK and US pronunciations are similar. How to pronounce cap, alright? It's different from cup or cop. If you want to learn more, I've got a video for you. Stay tuned. Cap, how to pronounce English pronunciation, cap. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.